So hi Disney friends, today we are at Mama Melrose's Ristorante Italiano. This is our first time ever eating here. We've had Disney annual passes off and on for, say, probably the last 20 years. So it's a new experience for us. We just got our entrees, so just a quick recap. Appetizer, we got the calamari. It's very good. It comes with kind of that orange aioli sauce versus a marinara. It's a little spicy, but it's very good. I've got the rum swizzle to drink. Melissa's got a Chianti. But really the star, I think, is going to be these pasta dishes. So let me flip this camera around and I'll show you guys. All right, so here is Mama's Italian pasta. So it just looks amazing. Look at it, giant crostini on top, tomatoes and a red sauce. I got chicken as well. You can see the chicken underneath here. So you can add chicken or shrimp if you want. So I got some grilled chicken, trying to be a little bit healthier. And then Melissa, what do you got?
This was the shrimp campanelli. So it's the shrimp on the campanelli pasta with some sun-dried tomatoes, some fresh spinach in there, cauliflower, and I think it's a garlic. It's like a light creamy garlic sauce. So it just looks really fresh and delicious.
We can't wait to dive in. There's the rum swizzle. You also get some rolls, and then you get an olive oil blended with some Italian seasonings. And then Justin just actually wandered back to the table just in time for his food to come. What do you think? Looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
All right. Awesome. All right, Disney friends, we are outside Mama Melrose's. Just kind of wrap up this lunch. Food was good. Service was amazing. Staff is super friendly. Everything's social distance. You don't feel like you're sitting on top of people. The Mama's pasta that Justin and I had, I thought it was good. Had good flavor to it. But I'm a saucy type of person, so I like my stuff covered in sauce, kind of the classic American Italian. Justin loved it. Didn't like the ton of sauce on it. The tomatoes were flavorful, so he really enjoyed his. Now Melissa's food, on the other hand, she had the, what was it?
Shrimp campanelli.
So it had a 4 cheese sauce on it.
4 cheese sauce.
So it had a little bit more sauce. It had a ton of cheese on it. So I had FOMO. I wish I had hers, and she actually wished she had mine.
Yeah, because I'm actually, with the cheeses, sometimes the cheeses bother my stomach a little, so I probably would have preferred something a little bit more on the light side. So if you're looking for a meal that's a little bit lighter, you would probably want to opt for his and maybe add like the chicken or the shrimp if you want a protein. You don't have to, that's optional. But mine was delicious. It had excellent flavor with that 4 cheese sauce. The sun-dried tomatoes almost had a hint of smoke to it, so that made it really good. And then of course the fresh spinach in there too,
and cauliflower.
And
had
the
cauliflower in it, so
and it's really good too.
So somewhat healthy, just to, had a bunch of cheese sauce on it. Whereas mine was very little sauce, so very, very healthy, clean. So if you're trying to eat clean, that would probably be a good option for you. And which she's trying to get me to eat healthier, so that's kind of why I got it. So so later today we're actually going to park hop over to Epcot, and we're doing dinner at Via Napoli. So we're doing a double Italian thing today. Justin's never been there before. Melissa and I've been there, but it might be a decade, like right after they first opened maybe. So so we'll be adding to this video the 2 Italians, Hollywood Studios versus Epcot. Catch you later. All right, guys, so round 2 of our Italian food at Disney trip. So now we're at Via Napoli for some pizza. And so here is our picante pizza. So it's kind of a traditional pizza with Italian pepper, Italian seasoning. And then there's my Sicilian sunset drink. Melissa's got, what are you drinking?
It's Chianti.
A Chianti. Didn't you have that earlier?
I did.
So it's Chianti Day, apparently.
Chianti Day.
And then Justin has an Italian soda. Let's dive in.
All right, guys, so it's a little loud in here. I hope you can hear this, but so we got dessert now. We got the pistachio cheesecake, the classic cannoli, and then Melissa is drinking dessert. What do you got there?
It's a tiramisu martini.
You excited?
Yes, it's a tiramisu in a glass. So.
Looks yummy.
Yes.
All right, guys, so we just finished dinner at Via Napoli. Pizza was delicious. You know, simple sauce, good cheese, some Italian sausage. It says spicy on the menu, but it's Italian spices that are used in it, so it's not really spicy. The dessert, the pistachio cheesecake, was just so great. I don't like pistachios, but that was just amazing. Justin had the cannoli in it, which I think is his first cannoli. So what'd you think?
That was pretty good.
Pretty good?
Yeah, that was pretty good.
Pretty good?
Yeah.
And then Melissa drank her dessert, so she had the tiramisu martini. So really good.
Really good.
Looked tasty.
Great.
So this is kind of our two-part Italian voyage at Disney, I guess you can say. There's a ton of Italian restaurants actually on Walt Disney World property. But we decided to give two a try. One we've never been at. Via Napoli, we haven't been at it in a decade, and Justin's never been there. So I had to say we enjoyed both. Different atmospheres, different types of crowd, different types of food, but still really good Italian. So I highly recommend both. They both offered right now a DVC and pass holder discounts, so I'll take a little bit off the bite of each bill. And then the drink menu is just very tasty from both locations. So I definitely highly recommend trying some Italian food at Walt Disney World. So thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you again soon.